Hi everyone. Now today we will learn this some basics of computer engineering graphics using AutoCAD. So very basic. So first we will learn the tool AutoCAD. So in that very basic we'll start now. Now this is the interface of the AutoCAD here. This is how it looks. I will open a already the drawn files are there. So I will just open my file. So here we can open or we can create new one. So I'll open a new file. I will open already existed file. So this engineering drawing tools open. Click here. Yeah. So first we will learn this AutoCAD tool. So initially, so we need to understand most importantly regarding these tools, how to use this. Now this area, this is a workspace area in this entire area. So here we can move this workspace area by pressing and holding the mouse button like this, and then we can move this screen. So we can move this screen all the so we can move this screen, right? So this pressing and holding of the scroll button, mouse scroll button, we can move anyway like this, right? And this mouse button, not only just for pan command moving, if you scroll, then we can move, zoom in and zoom out. So mouse button, we use mouse button for moving the workspace area and also zoom in, zoom out, the scroll button. Next, let us learn this AutoCAD by drawing so that it will be easy. Now, we will draw this small problem. Draw a point. Just we are going to draw a point. Okay. And change its shape to any other shape. And its size should be 3 millimeter. Actually, point size there is no dimension for the point, but here for the style sizes will be there for the style in this AutoCAD. Okay. Now we will draw. So for that, we will type here point 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 and enter. POINT point and enter. Then we can click anywhere like this. Now point has come, right? So this is the point. So again once again I'll so POINT point, enter. Say I will click here. Somewhere I'll click. So I got a point here. So this is the point. Now we need to change its style, change its shape. Okay. So how we need to change its style or shape. Here utilities is there. Utilities here. So if you go here in the utilities, there is a point style. So or you can also type of PT here, uh, PT P type. Okay, or you can click here. You click here, you will get this box. Now you can change it to some other shape like this. If I want to change to here, I will click here. Except dot, we should not keep this one. Okay, so this one. Then point size is 3 millimeters. You can change, suppose if I change 9 millimeters, then click set in absolute units. The absolute units, why? Because if relatives is to screen is there, if you zoom in, zoom out, then point size will change. Okay. So in our diagrams, we required set size in absolute units. Okay. So if I click OK, then size will change and also shape will change. Again, we will change to the utilities, go to point style. Then let us say I will make it into 3 millimeters. Then set size in absolute unit, click OK. So this is 3 millimeters. So in this way, we will draw points. and we can change its shape. Now, okay. Now the second question is, draw a horizontal line of 50 millimeter and divide it into 5 equal parts. So we need to draw a horizontal line. We have drawn the points. Now we are going to draw a horizontal line. See here in the draw command, line is there. So select this line, click, and then specify one point here, first point here. Okay, click here. And then we need to draw 50 mm. So, and it should be horizontal line. So to make it very exact horizontal, we should switch on this button. This is ortho mode. Okay, now. So to come out from this command, line command, just press escape. Now I will just switch on this ortho. If I switch on this ortho mode on, then we can draw easily horizontal and vertical lines very easily. So therefore I have switched on this one. Then I'll again take line. Then I'll click here. Then I just move my mouse like this. We should not drag the mouse. We should not drag. So we just move the mouse. Then and means drag in the sense that you are pressing this button and again just holding this one. No, we should not hold this left hand button. Just to click, just click and just move. That's it. Okay. Now here I am just moving in this side. Then I will type 50 mm. 50. Enter. So now again this line command is activated. Is in the activation mode. So press escape. Now I have drawn a line here. Now it is 50 mm line. Okay. Now we are going to divide this into 5 equal parts. So select this line, or you can go here. Here divide is there. So click this one. Now what it is saying, we need to read here. Select the object to divide. So we will again select this line. Then what it is saying, listen here, read here, enter the number of segments. So we will enter 5 segments, we required 5 parts. So enter 5, enter. Now we got 5 points here. So the line is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay. So this is a very small problem. Next, we are going to solve next problem. Third one. So third problem is I'm just moving this third problem from here. Okay. This is a third problem. Here, draw a vertical line of 60 millimeters and divide it into 5 equal parts. Furthermore, give dimensions to the line. Okay. So now we are going to draw a vertical line. So take line. So for exact vertical lines, so we need to switch on this ortho. So we are switching on. Next, click here and somewhere on screen clicks and then move downwards. Then enter 60. Enter. Then escape. So I have drawn a line of 60 mm. Right now we are going to divide into 5 equal parts. So select this line and go to the divide command. This is a divide. In the right is the divide. So click here. Then set again, if it is asking select object to divide, so select this one. Then enter number of segments, similar to the previous question. Enter 5 and press enter. Then we got it is divided into 5 equal parts. Furthermore, we give the dimension. Okay, so how to give the dimension here? In the dimensions, you can see here, click this one. So we select linear one here because only vertical line is there. So select linear and click here, then click below like this and move here. So now we have 3 clicks. So once again, I'll delete. Again, I will draw this one, giving dimensions. So go here, select linear, one click here, another endpoint, another click here, move the one side, any one side. You can move in this way or in this way. Again, one more click. So this is 60 mm line, right? So now these dimensions, if you want to change the dimension height, this text height in the dimensions, you have to change in the dim style. So here in this command line, click and enter D. Then you will get this dim style option. Click here. You can change in this. Now go to modify. So you will get this window. Now the text height, if you want, let us say I'm changing it into 10 mm. 10. Click OK. Close. Now change it into 10. So again, if I want change these arrows also, you can change. You can change this extension line length. Okay. So in this way, so many options are in the dim style. So once again, D, enter, modify. So click modify. Then here you can change the lines. You can change the symbol, arrow symbols. You can change the text height. So here text is, let us say again, going back to pi, I get just 4 mm, and then click OK, close. Okay. So this is how this we have completed the third problem. Now let us move to the fourth problem. So that is here, draw 60 mm horizontal line AB. Draw another line CD 40 mm perpendicular and bisecting the AB line. Okay, and give dimension. So take a line and click somewhere here and move the mouse horizontally. Before that, we need to switch on this ortho mode. The ortho mode should be on. Then we are selecting a line and click, then only it will go in a horizontal line. Okay. Now I will type it here 60, enter. Okay. Now we got a 60 mm line. So here this is 60 mm line. I'm just moving a little bit upward here. So now this 60 mm up line. Then we are going to draw a 40 mm perpendicular line, right? So this is the AB line. So we can give the name AB. So we need to type here A and B. So I am using here text. You can use the single line text or multi-line text. I generally prefer multi-line text. Click here and click here like this, drag and one more click. So you will get edit option like this. So we just type here, let us say A. Then if you want to change its size, select this. And here text height is there. You can type, let us say 5 here, enter. Now click somewhere on the workspace. Now this is a 5 mm line. So let us say it looks like a little big, so I just want to change it to 4. Double click. And then select this one, change it into 4. 4, enter. Or you can say 3, enter. So this is A. Now I will just select this. I'll move near to this one. So turn off ortho. So I'm just selecting this node and just moving here. Click here. Then I will just copy paste here. Control C, Control V. So you can just paste here like this. Click here. Right. Again, you can double click, change it into B, AB line. So I'm just double click, edit, B, right? Next, I will draw a perpendicular line perpendicular to AB. So I'll take a line, so 40 perpendicular line from the midpoint, right? Bisecting. So from midpoint means if you move your cursor like this, you will get the symbols like this. So triangle symbol indicate that midpoint. So click here and draw downwards or upwards. Okay, I will draw here downward. So I should draw vertically. So I should switch on ortho. Ortho mode should be on. Then downward. So I will give the dimension 40, enter. Okay, escape. Next, I need to give here CD. So select this, Control C, Control V. Copy paste here. Click here and Control V. Again click here. Just I will just edit, double click, edit. So C and D. This is C and this is C and this is D. Okay. Again click. Now I will just give the dimensions. So here, click here, line, linear, and select one endpoint here, and again select another endpoint here. Click here, just move your cursor up, and again one more click. Similarly, here, linear, click here, and at D also you click, and just move this like this. So now we have drawn AB line and CD line. Then we have given the dimensions. That's the, so today this much is the practice. So daily little bit we'll practice this. Thank you for listening. Bye.